how do you say it?
Luann.
Luann. And?
Jeff.
Jeff. What do you guys do?
We are a distributor of children's products.
Oh, really? Sweet. What kind of children's products? Just a gamut of them?
Diaper pails, stroller accessories, home safety, all kinds of stuff.
Oh, awesome. So what brings you here?
We do consumer events and
Do you?
a couple of trade shows, yes.
Let me give you this gift then, because you're really gonna enjoy this. Okay? It's something I used to use as a sales tool when I was helping my clients in either prospects or clients, you know, plan for a show or do something, and then I decided to put it on a paper and do it for our. We did this show for the first time last year. Got best new exhibitor, made all our goals, landed a big fish client. We did everything we wanted to do because we spent the time to really break down our goals and how we were going to do it. And so I'm just going to run it through and give this to you. And if you find it helpful, you can go to our website and get it as many times as you want. But like step number one, what has to be true when the event or the show is over? You know? So what's the success criteria? What is the, you know, let's get clear about exactly what we're here to achieve. This many leads, this product launch, and it has to happen this way and it has to have this results. And then kind of come in for a little diagnostic. What worked in the past? What didn't work in the past? Or last year or this year? And breaking that down. And now that you kind of got your success criteria set up, what are the obstacles and challenges? Bob in sales, budget, whatever. Whatever those, you know, you looked at him, an obstacle, I guess.
I'm the one who tries to find the solution.
Yo, the solution, okay. And this one's, I think, a big one. A lot of people just don't go deep enough, and it's knowing their audience terrain. Like, a prospect they're not all the same. You might have a prospect that's come 3 times to see you. That's a lot different than someone who got an email blast and a call from a salesperson that's coming for the first time. You probably want them to have a different emotional experience. And the existing clients that come, you want them to have a different experience. You want your staff members to have an experience. And then lastly, how do you amp it all up? What are all the different, you know, are you gonna sponsor an event, you're gonna do a side event, you're gonna give away, we're giving away skateboards, right? 20 a day. If people give us love on our hashtags, they can win a longboard skateboard. We're doing a podcast where you can win a custom board if you come and tell us why you're thankful for trade shows and about your company. But it's a fun little tool. It's simple ideas, but people sometimes don't break it down and do all of it. So I'm gonna give you this. Again, we can send you more hard copies, or you can just download a PDF and use it. So, hey, pleasure.
Nice to meet you guys.
Thank you. Have a good rest of your show. Hopefully see you again.